I'm the president of Te Kete Kahurangi, which is a Māori organisation based in Campbelltown. And our kaupapa is to tautoko and awhi our people down that way. What we try to do is provide programs and activities that help them to build themselves, to whakapakari tātou rangatahi as well. So whatever anyone can offer that can benefit our people, please come and see us. Otherwise we do te reo, kapahaka, all those sorts of things for now. But we've just attended the Ririki workshop, so that's something we'd like to implement as well. I really love the workshop. I love the way that our tupuna nurtured our tamariki. So it's going to be a passion of mine to implement this program, and I'm thankful to the organisers for allowing us to be able to utilise their training package. I will be taking it back to Te Kete Kahurangi and hopefully running it out of Te Whare Marama, which is our base. That's the whare that our community centre that we run all our programs out of. So I'm so excited to have been here and happy to be able to try to pass on that knowledge that they've passed on to us. Well, I just recently received an award from the UWS International Women's Day Awards Program for the mahi that I do for Te Kete Kahurangi. It's called the Women of the West Award.
I take away from this workshops resources, tools, and a bunch of people who have the same desire of what they've learnt at this workshop in terms of implementing it into our own immediate families, first and foremost, and then obviously our wider communities that we're involved with.
My name is Ani Tamaki. I am a Māori birth attendant where I specialise in traditional Māori birthing rites. So I support a mama and her whānau from pregnancy right through to breastfeeding and beyond. I'm from a little town in the Waikato called Tapu. I've been here in Sydney for almost 5 years now, and I have been a tāpuhi or Māori doula for approximately 12 years. I am the only one that I know of, although I'm keen to network with other Māori women who are keen to learn also. I have women from differing cultures, especially being multicultural here in Sydney. It's such an area or subject that is often not talked about. So it's just embracing who we are as Māori women or as Māori whānau or as women in general, accepting our birthing practices, taking back traditional knowledge, bringing that back into mainstream. I've had a passion for assisting women and supporting women through birth since I can remember. It's always been a passion within myself, and it's something that I have developed over the years.